To add or create a new company in TimesManager, go to the Companies tab and then click on Add Company. Enter the company's name, and a unique company code will be created automatically by the system, but you may override the system-generated code with your own if you prefer. Indicate who the account manager for the company is, and then you can enter optional information for the company details, address details, and primary contact details. Adding a contact name will also generate a contact code that can be used to search for data within TimesManager. When adding the primary contact's email or phone number, the drop-down allows you to specify the contact information, and the plus sign will allow you to add additional emails or phone numbers. You can then enter the contact address, and in the final section, you can create user-defined fields for text, numeric, date and time, and drop-down data if required.